Hi. So today we will see how to prepare mathematics of ICC class 10. So first important chapters are banking, matrices, statistics, probability, reflection. So these five chapters weightage minimum 30 marks to 37 marks. So as per 2018 and 19 papers, we got 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 6 marks in banking, and matrices 6 to 8 marks, 6 marks to 8 marks. Statistics 10, 10 marks to 15 marks. And probability minimum one question guarantee, 3 marks to 4 marks. And reflection, so reflection is 4 marks and 5 marks. Because any question is given allocated 10 marks, 5 plus 5 format, so in that case we will get reflection 5 marks. Now let us see minimum and maximum possibility of the given question. If you count, so 6 plus 3 plus 3, 6, 12, 10, 22, 25, 29. So 29 marks, and maximum 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 15, 19, 19 plus 5, 23, plus 5. Okay, so 33 plus 5, 38. So 38 marks. So minimum 30 marks guarantee if you prepare. This is the first priority, first group. So this is the first group of chapters which you have to prepare. Every ICSE student first they have to practice these five chapters. Very important, and that too these are very easy chapters. Now second group of chapters which you have to prepare, so that also I will give you now. So after preparing these five chapters, better go for next chapter, quadratic equations. So in quadratic equation also, without failing we can expect one question. So that too, to find the nature of roots and finding roots of a quadratic equation. So 4 marks sure. And next chapter, 8th chapter, so linear inequations. Linear inequations also very easy and important chapter. Linear inequations also you can expect so guarantee 3 marks or 4 marks, anyone, either 3 marks or 4 marks you can expect. Next chapter you can practice, I mean this is 6, this is 7, this is 8 mark. So next so what is it? Remainder theorem, remainder and factor, remainder theorem and factor theorem. So this is also important. So from this you can expect minimum 3 marks, maximum 6 marks. Now let us calculate min and max. Minimum 4 plus 3 7 plus 3 10, 10 marks minimum, and maximum 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 6 14. So now let us see the min and max of these two chapters together. So group 1 plus group 2. If you see group 1 you have minimum 29, maximum 38. Here minimum 10 marks, maximum 14 marks. So min is equal to 39, max is equal to 52. Okay, so if you practice these 1 to 8 chapters, these are 5 chapters and these are 3 chapters, 8 chapters, if you practice perfectly, so you will easily get through mathematics of ICSE. So ICSE is done, that's it. So extra chapters you can practice group 3 chapters like GST, ratio proportion, equation of straight line, cyclic quadrilateral. So there also every time commercial mathematics is given more weightage, that is shares and dividend, and GST banking. So since for 2000 academic year 2021 and 22, so we don't have 22 21, I'm sorry. So this shares and dividend is deleted. So that is why at least if you are perfect at these 8 chapters, you are nicely, you will be in safe mode. So that is why give importance these chapters. Okay na? And so these analysis what I have done is based on the previous papers 2018 and 2019. So based on these papers I have written all, we have 27 chapters. Out of 27 chapters, if you practice these 8 chapters perfectly, you will be in safe mode. So give more importance for these chapters.